Hi everyone, today we are creating a new Word document and in which we will insert a table, and after that we will see it how to merge a cell in this table with the heading and how we will remove rows and columns as per the data required. So as you can see, I already have this question as you can see right now. So question number 3 is create a new Word document or open an already existing documents. So I don't have existing documents, so I will create a new Word document, and in which the portion is A. Insert a table into the document, write name and roll number of 10 students in your class. I will write these names. As you can see, it's already made it by the bookmakers. Okay, so first what should I do? First I need to open a Microsoft Word. So right now I got it this interface. If you will open Microsoft Word documents, so you need to click on blank documents. When you click it, you got it this page, A4 size paper. After that there are so many options in the home buttons. Look at that. Okay, insert, draw, design and so on. So we need to create a table or we need to insert a table in this documents. So how we will insert a table in this documents? You need to click on insert button, and then you can see here, if you click on it, there is an option tables. Okay, if you click on it, there are so many options here. You can create these boxes. Okay, insert table. If you already have it, you can insert your table from in this button. Draw table if you want. If you have your table in spreadsheet, so you can import your spreadsheet here. Quick tables. Okay, there are so many tables, so we will create by this one because we need to create that table. So roll number, name, and after that we will write the names. So first we'll take it these tables, sir, and after that I will write here roll numbers. Roll number, sorry. Then if you will see here, there is the name in this column, name. After that you can write roll numbers like 1 2 3 and so on. How many? 10. Okay, same thing with here. I will write the name, random name like Ali, like Ibrahim, like Daud, like Froz, like Wes, like Muhammad, like. Okay, so you can write 10 names with 10 roll numbers. Okay, and after that it's already completed by these roll numbers and these names. So I need to insert more thing. So if you click on this cell or in this row, there is an option here. If you click your mouse from the right side, insert columns to the left, insert row and above. So we need to insert row below. Okay, same thing with that again. One more. I think it's complete. 8, 9 and the last one is 10. Here you can write your names here. I will write here A, B, C for example. Okay, now it's done. And one more thing, after that the portion B is merge cells to add the heading of the table, heading. So right now you can see here there is no heading for this table, so I need to insert one more row. Okay, at that side on the top of that table. So what should I do? If I will click here and I need to insert a row above. So right now you can see here there is one more row on the upstairs. And if I will select both these two columns with together, okay, and I want to merge it, if you will click your mouse from the left side, right side, okay, so you got it, these options: cut, copy, insert, delete cell, merge. So I need to merge it because I need to write heading here. So you can see here it become a one cell right now. So after that you can write the grade name, for example grade 6, okay, and I need this heading in the middle of this cell. So what should I do? I need to select this one and go to the home page. There is an option here in paragraph, center align, okay. If you click here, so you got it, your text in the middle of this cell, okay. Now the C portion is insert or remove rows and columns as per the data required, okay. If I need to insert one more column, okay, in between these two columns, for example this is my first column, that one, sorry, this is my first column, okay, and the second one is in between these two columns. I need one more column for ICAMA number or ID number. So what should I do? I will click here, I will select here and click from the right side of your mouse. So there is an option, insert columns to the left or right. So where you want, if you click on the left side, so it will appear at that side. If you click on the right side, so it will appear next to roll number. Look at that. Now here you need to write ID number. Here you can write the ID numbers, okay. Look at that, I got it, this one more cell, so I don't need it. Select both these two cell and click on merge cell, okay. After that it become a one cell again. Now here you need to write the ID numbers or ICAMA number if you want, and if you want to remove any row or columns from here, so you need to select that row. For example, I don't need it, this one. So how should I delete? Click from the right side of your mouse, you get it some options here, delete cell, merge cell, okay. If I click delete cell, so you can see here it's only for cell, but I need to remove this row. So what should I do? If I will go here, there are some options, table design, okay, layout, and here there are some options, delete, okay, where in this layout, table tools, okay. So click on delete, so delete row. After that you get it some options. If you click on delete cell, delete columns, delete rows, delete table. So I need to remove this row, so click on delete row. So now you can see here it's removed by that command, okay. So I hope you got it, this one. If you have any question you can ask me, okay, in the comment section. Goodbye, see you later.